Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
So welcome to all of you in another new video. So today we are going to see how you can add dark mode to your website. So friends, you can see that I have already written the HTML code and some styling has also been done. So now let me show you the web page what it looks like. So right now no function is working on clicking this button. So let's start making it now.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move.
So guys, you can see our dark mode is working, but there is still some problem. In this div's border color light mode is not visible, so for this you have to first add class to body, which is class name same in CSS. The name of light mode will remain.
Can make me.
With